Your problem states if a specific candidate receives at least 53% of the vote in the sample, that candidate will be forecast as the winner. So that is P equal 0.53. And in part D, your sample size is increased to 400, so N is 400. And it states the probability is what? That a candidate will be forecast as the winner when the population percentage of her vote is 56%. So that's pi equal 0.56. So you're trying to find the probability that P is greater than 0.53. It's at least would be greater than. So find your Z. Z is 0.53 minus 0.56. That's P minus pi over the square root of pi times 1 minus pi, which is 0.44, divided by 400. And I used my calculator and got negative 1.21. So we're trying to find the probability that Z is greater than negative 1.21. So if I draw a picture, it's a Z. That means the mean is 0. Negative 1.21 would be to the left of the mean. And I'm trying to find that probability. So I would look on page 2 of my normal distribution table and look up the 1.21, and you get 0.8869.